Oh.
Sorry. Go back to your natural hair. Healthy person. Except for my allergies, that's you.
Oh.
That fizzy water makes me burp a shitload. Holy shit. I get it. The Times. Like the New York Times. Oh man.
No, I don't want.
Oh.
Give me the knife. No, please, I'm killing me.
Oh.
Why are all these people yelling?
Oh.
Oh fuck.
You're him, ain't you? The outsider.
Oh.
I thought they killed you, didn't they?
Oh.
Maybe something.
Fuck is this?
Like, you guys just gotta stop. I'll ban anybody that says it. Okay. No, you guys can't. I cannot show any logos of any other sports things. You guys can say cougar, yes. I hope you get better soon. Okay, so what's happening in the game? We made it to the church. Okay. Whew.
Oh.
Oh.
Jesus.
Oh.
Prayed for refrigeration.
I can't fight. No, I can't fight.
Oh.
Save and exit.
Oh shit!
Oh.
Lynn!
Is she dead?